In this video, I will guide you on how to fix eBay app no internet and no network connection problem. The first thing you want to do is close the eBay app completely. Now launch open settings on your device. Here you want to tap on the option of connection. Now you're going to find the option of flight mode. Go ahead and toggle this option on. Once you have toggled this option on, you want to wait for at least 15 seconds, then toggle this option off. This is going to refresh the network. Next thing you want to do is tap on the mobile networks option. Tap on that. Here you want to tap on the option of network mode. Make sure that if you have the option of auto connect, go ahead and tap on that option. If not, you want to select 5G. If that doesn't work, you want to switch one by one and check which one works for you. Next thing you want to do is tap on the access point name option. Here you want to tap on the three dots and tap on reset to default. Go ahead and tap on the reset option. Once that is done, tap on the network operator option, and here make sure that you have toggled on the option of select automatically. Once you have done all of that, you want to head back and launch open eBay, and this issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.